Hi everyone, in this video we're going to have a quick chat about Pythagoras' theorem. So Pythagoras' theorem is a theorem that holds for right-angled triangles. So remember, right-angled triangles are just triangles that have a right angle in them. We always call the angle that's opposite that right angle, we call the side that's opposite the right angle, the hypotenuse. Okay, and we usually use the letter C for the hypotenuse. Then we can label the other sides however we like, but let's use A and B here. Now, Pythagoras' theorem states that A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So let's have a look at an example of this. So here's our right angle triangle again. Let's say this side is 3 units long, this side is 4 units long. We'll have to calculate the side C. So again we'll use A and B, and we'll use blue for C. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So let's plug in the numbers and see what happens. We have 3 squared plus 4 squared, and that all still equals C squared. 3 squared is 9, plus 4 squared, which is 16, all equals C squared. 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 equals C squared. Let's take the square root of both sides. We get 5 equals C. So this side over here has to be 5 units long. And we can rearrange Pythagoras' theorem in a variety of different ways if we wanted to find, for example, what A was. So let's have a look at how we would do that. Let's say we don't know A. We still have that A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So let's plug in the numbers that we do know. A squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. So that's A squared plus 16 equals 25. Let's subtract 16 from both sides. A squared equals 25 take 16, which means that A squared equals 9. We'll take the square root of both sides. A equals 3. And we're done. So you can see that we can use Pythagoras' theorem for working out the length of the hypotenuse, but we can also use it to work out the lengths of either of the other two sides, assuming that we have a right angled triangle and that we know at least two of the side lengths.